We are going through a lot: conflict, displacement, anger, and struggle. Many of our families are in a refugee camp. No food, no clean water, and no safety. Life is not easy, and education becomes harder when survival comes first. Yet on social media, people show off like everything is fine, but at home it is empty. There's nothing. My brothers and sisters, can we stop pretending and start learning? Can we choose to educate ourselves and take a new direction? Because only knowledge can break the circle of suffering. Let's open our mind, not just our phones. Let's build the future that our children deserved. Let's learn that when we are united and we support one another, we can break this cycle of suffering. Only you and I can break this. But if we keep on, pretending and showing that we have something when we do not have it, this is one of the weak points that we have, and this can only prolong the suffering of our people. So I think it is better for us to keep not to pretend. Let me simply say that. Let not pretend. Let be real.